Hello, bachcho, let's read the question. And the question here it is that in Rivet, Popper hypothesis of Paul Ehrlich, loss of key species driving an ecosystem is indicated by adding reverts on seeds, removing reverts from the seeds, removing the reverts from windows and removing the reverts from the wings. So student यहाँ पर हम ये बताते हैं सबसे पहले कि की कंसेप्ट क्या है. So जो ये हाइपोथेसिस के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन में, ये हाइपोथेसिस पर्टिकुलरली सजेस्ट करता है, it could suggest the importance of, that could be here, the importance of species richness, that could be species richness in the maintenance of ecosystem, that could be here, in the maintenance of ecosystem. Now अगर हम देखते हैं जो reverts है, ठीक है, reverts of an aeroplane, it is particularly compared with species, इसको कंपेयर किया जाता है स्पीशीज ऑफ एन इकोसिस्टम के साथ. If the passengers here start to the pop, if passengers they particularly start, and it could start to the pop, the reverts from the wings of the aeroplane, the reverts for the wings, reverts from the wings of an aeroplane. So aeroplane will not able to perform flight. In that case, aeroplane will not able to flight. So if the species present in the ecosystem reduce, then the ecosystem will collapse. अगर जो species present है, ठीक है, ecosystem में, अगर वो reduce हो गई, तो ultimately ecosystem क्या हो जाएगा? ecosystem जो है वो collapse हो जाएगा. And अगर हमने यहाँ पर species driving ecosystem है, loss of key हो गया, तो इसका हम किससे इंडिकेट करेंगे? रिमूविंग द रिवर्ट्स फ्रॉम विंग्स. ऑप्शन डी जो है वो करेक्ट है. होप इट इज क्लियर. ऑल द बेस्ट.